Aldona Blondin from ABCC Positive Change Management. And when I was asked the same question during some seminars being there as a participant, my first reaction was to nominate either frontline staff or non-managerial employees as the biggest opposition source in the organization. Why so? Well, I thought that they love so much the comfort zone and daily routines, so I appointed this group without big thinking. And indeed, based on precise reports, non-managerial employees and frontline staff, they are not the easiest group to cope with during the change process, but there is another group which has even higher tendency to refuse transformation process. If you opt for middle-level managers, you are right. The middle-level managers, they were identified as the most resistant group. Surprised? You might be like me then. In my ideal world, middle managers or team leaders should have, by default, high developed or trained change competences, high resilience, or more knowledge about the need for change. On the second thought, as I was working some years on similar position, I recalled my reaction for some change initiative. As a fact, they were rather critical. Out of my experience, I would name a few reasons. Number one, not enough information regarding the purpose, the project, or the plan. Number two, not clear message about what the change actually means for me and my team and what will new status quo look like. Number three, missing involvement from product owner, project leader or sponsor. Last but not least, number four, not enough time to digest all this information and to prepare relevant plan and communication for the team. As a matter of fact, my past experience motivated me to explore more the topic, so I gained more knowledge about the most pragmatic models and techniques. And today I can proudly offer my workshop signature, Change Management for Team Leaders. Looking forward to empower your team leaders and to redirect the energy from resistance to the participation. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.